Hello, this is Emma from 5-Minute Music Theory for Beginners.
On this Unit 5, we will talk about chromatic interval. Number 1. The order of naming the chromatic interval. In simple words, the chromatic interval is interval with accidental, such as sharp and flat. So, to identify chromatic interval, you need some steps. Step 1. Finding diatonic interval first without accidental. Step 2. Calculating interval according to the position of sharp and flat. Step 3. Table A is applied to first, fourth, fifth, eighth. And table B is applied to second, third, sixth, and seventh. The table's on the book, so if you open the book, it will help you to understand it more easier. Table A is about first, fourth, fifth, eighth. If interval get expanded, it goes up and plus 1. And if it get reduced, it goes down minus 1. Table B is also the same. If interval get expanded, it goes up and plus 1. And if it get reduced, it goes down minus 1. How to define the do, to, so, sharp? First, you find the diatonic interval, which is do and so. It's perfect fifth. And count the interval, the sharp on the top note sol, which means it's expanded, right? So expanded is plus 1. So apply table A, it's perfect plus 1. So the answer is augmented fifth. What about do to sol flat? Find the diatonic interval first. The perfect fifth, do and sol. In this time, the flat on top note sol. So it's sol flat. It's reduced. Reduced means minus 1. So if you apply the table A, perfect minus 1. So the answer is diminished fifth, do and sol flat. What about do sharp and sol flat? First, you find the diatonic interval do sol and flat on the top note sol. It reduced the interval, so which is minus 1. And sharp on the bottom note do. Also, it reduced the interval, right? So also minus 1. So total is minus 2. So if you apply table A, it's perfect minus 2. So the answer becomes the doubly diminished fifth. These are the same if you follow the order of naming it. Look at do flat and la flat. You find the diatonic interval first, which is do in La, and it's major sixth. But the flat on the top note, which is La flat, it reduced the interval. The mean is -1. And the flat on the bottom note, Do, expanded interval, right? So expanded mean is +1. So -1 plus 1 equal 0. So apply the table, there is none changed, right? So the flat Do and flat La is major sixth. Let's check if you understand or not. Find the interval of next score. Look at the second one. It's Re to Re. But there is 2 flat. We code it as double flat, and it lowered the note in whole tone. The backside of the book on music grammar has more detail. So Re to Re is diatonic interval, which is perfect eighth. But there are 2 flats on the Re. Right? So it reduced 2 times from perfect eighth, diminished eighth, doubly diminished eighth. So the answer is it can be tricky, so I recommend you to look at the table A on the book. Look at the third one on number 2. There is some symbol, seems like X. It is double sharps, and it raised the note in whole tone. The double sharp is also in the music grammar on the back side of the book. Sol and Re is perfect fifth, right? But there is the double sharp on the bottom note Sol. So Sol, Sol sharp, and double sharps. So which means it reduced 2 times. So from perfect, it reduced 2 times. So it becomes perfect fifth, diminished fifth, doubly diminished fifth. So the answer is it's easy, right? I recommend you to refer the table A and table B on the book. Okay, I think you can do it on yourself. It seems a little bit complicated, but keep practicing and it will get used to it. Good job today and see you on next unit. Bye!